Alright, now that we have our homepage set up, I'm going to go over how to create the homepage child boxes, which are, if I open up the live preview, these boxes right here. So let's go and just go to our dashboard. Actually, go ahead and one more thing to note is each one of these is a page, and it's a child page of the home page. So let's go to our example that we have set up now. And let's go to our dashboard and let's go and start adding some pages. So let's call this home page child box 1, and then home page child box content goes here. So one of these pages is going to be each of those boxes. How we assign that is under page attributes parent. You're going to find your home page. So remember I changed mine to that really long tagline, so it's pretty easy to find. So we're saying this page is a child now of that one. So if I publish it and refresh the page, you can see that's how you get your home page child box set up. So we can actually set up a whole bunch of these. Let me quickly go over a few options. One thing to note is you can adjust the order of the boxes here. So this one will be our first child box. And then you can also add an icon, and just to add that, you can just add your media and set a featured image. Let's go ahead and select that icon as a featured image. It'll now show up down there. Update this. So now you can see the little icon, and of course you're going to want to make it a similar size as you need, but it will display there. Then the last option you have is a link. So if you wanted to link this to another page, I'm just going to link this to google.com. Then the whole box turns into a link, and if you click on it, it goes to google.com. So you have a whole bunch of options for each box. And let's go and add another box. Let's call this child box 2. Since it's the second child box, we're going to add the order of 2. And then under parent, we're going to select that same parent. And you'll notice your first child box is indented under there. So that's how you know you're doing everything right. And then content goes here. Let's go ahead and publish that. Now when we refresh the page, we have our first child box, our second child box, which is in the order of 2. And let's go and add a third child box. And then we're going to do the same parent, which is that original home page we created. I'm going to publish this. And now we have our 3 homepage boxes. Oh, and notice it displayed at the front, and that was because I didn't adjust the order. Let's go ahead and make that the third child box. And so now the order is correct. We have 3 child boxes. You can add your little icon image by uploading a featured image. Then clicking set featured image. Selecting your image, clicking set featured image. Update your post, and so that's how you can get your image. Then you can add in a link as well. Let's make the third one, link to theme forest. And then, so now that we have our 3 different child boxes, the last option to go over is under appearance theme options. Under the basic tab, you can adjust the column count. So if we make it 4, you can actually have 4 different child boxes that fit in there. Or you can do something like 2 child box columns. And so they display much larger. So you have a whole lot of flexibility over these child boxes. If worse comes to worse, you can just not use them, and you can just use the content instead, which is when you edit your home page. But what we covered now is how to create your child boxes and how to adjust the order and the column count and adding links if you want that.